right, everyone. This is Vishal from Equity Guru, and I want to talk about stock screeners. So I'm going to have two videos here out today. One is going to be a very basic beginner one, and the second one is going to be a bit more advanced. And when I mean more advanced, certain strategies that I use that you could also use to look at stocks that meet your criteria. But first of all, let's do a basic rundown of the stock screener. And I think it's obvious, but why would someone want to use a stock screener? Well, if we look at this chart here on how many stocks are listed on the US exchanges here, we're talking about thousands of different types of stocks, right? So it's hard to keep track on all those or that many stocks to determine what's moving and what's meeting your criteria. A lot of traders tend to focus just on one sector. So they might say, hey, I'm just going to look at basic materials. I'm going to look at energy, etc. But other traders just like to trade what's moving, right? So we're talking about a way to bring down this number. So from thousands of stocks to a good handful of stocks that you could maybe watch and monitor that meet your criteria. And the same goes for Toronto, right? There's thousands of stocks listed on the Canadian markets. You want to bring it down to a number that meets your criteria and that's manageable for trading. So two free sources here, very basic. And again, we will do more advanced in the next video. Yahoo Finance and also the TMX Money. So money.tmx.com. So this is more focused on the Canadian markets. You go to tmx.com, they have their screener there. And when you click on the screener, you'll see basic things like percentage gainers and volume activities or actives, percent losers, 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. So this is actually a very basic screener here that's on the TMX here. On Yahoo Finance, you can change things up a bit. You can add certain filters. If you're someone that likes big volume because you're a day trader, you might click on this tab to see or to sort by a high amount of volume. Maybe you're still one of those that want to do the Wall Street bets short squeezes. You might look at the short percentage of floats, tons of accounting and finance formulas here, which, I guess you got to be more of a finance major to understand this kind of stuff. But I think, for us, for basic traders, you're focusing on the prices, you're focusing on certain sectors and industries, and you're also focusing on the highs and lows. So very basic screener here on Yahoo Finance. We're going to click on the United States because we want to look at stocks in the US. Let's take a look at mid caps, and we'll include small caps as well. We'll look at things that are priced over $5 here, and also have a 52-week price high of over $5. You save your filters if you have an account, and then you can start to find stocks. But as you can see, it's still a large amount of things that you're looking for, right? So it is good to add more parameters, but I think in that way it's good to have a strategy to do so, which again I'll explain in the next video, because then you can really focus on good setups that you can take maybe within a few days or within a few weeks. So right now, what I'm seeing a lot of people do with a basic screener is just looking for things that are up, right? Because the markets are obviously either ranging or having a lot of red days. So people tend to focus on things that are seeing a percentage change that is positive or is green for the day and trading with that. But just a basic video here on how to use Yahoo Finance stock screener and the TMX money screener. Again, simple stuff. We will look at more advanced strategies in the next video. But yeah, comment below if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next more advanced stock screener video.